Hey Thickies, welcome back to Thick Girls Guide, or welcome if you're new here. This is your official guide for all things plus size, fashion, lifestyle, and traveling. And in today's video, I have a haul from a new brand. I have featured them in Amazon hauls previously, but this is the first video where it's dedicated to them, and that brand is called Eytino. And really excited to show you some new things they have to offer from their new collection, and I think it's so far really good. I've always been impressed with them when I've tried their stuff in previous videos, and I do have stuff that I have bought from them with my own money. So want to keep it transparent. However, this video, they did send me stuff free for review. So let's dive into the video. It's going to be a great one, so definitely stick around. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, join the Thick Girl gang, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get into it. So Eytino is a brand that sells on Amazon, and I have featured them, and I don't know how many hauls I've done. I think 3 or 4 Amazon hauls, but it is a brand that I always end up buying something from, and it's usually one of the pieces that I keep. So I've got like a dress from them. They don't sell it anymore. I would show it to you, but it was so stinking cute, and I've worn it many a times, and it's adorable. A couple like sweaters, and I think like a half zip kind of sweatshirt. So they do have good quality stuff, and if you haven't tried them before, definitely check them out. They have expanded to pants as well. I am not trying any of the pants in this particular haul. There was none that I particularly liked. They do have a lot of the trendy, like the wider leg pants, and if you know, I'm not a fan of those. Not when it comes to denim, especially. I don't like those barrel leg pants. Oh God, they're terrible for me. And just, again, I am really, really critical when it comes to denim, and I'm very hard to change my mind. And I just don't think a lot of the wide leg pant are flattering on me, and honestly, a lot of plus size women. There's some plus size women who can pull it off. I am not one of them, I don't think. And I am not a fan. I cannot wait for that trend to go away. If I'm being honest. But if you love it, more power to you. Check out their pants. You might like some. I just personally do not. So I pretty much stuck with their tops. And I've got 8 pieces to show you. So really excited to show you. Everything that they sent me was sent free for review, so just want to be transparent about that. Everything is going to be linked down below as well. Eytino is a strictly plus size brand, and their sizing starts at a 1X and goes up to a 5X. Now, again, when I am purchasing things off of Amazon, regardless of the brand, I am typically going to size up. For the most part, most things run small is what I've come to find, and Eytino, I typically go with a 5X as well. Now, there is some stuff in this video that I could have gotten away with a 4X, but I just like to err on the side of caution, and I'd rather have it a little bit bigger and know, okay, I can size down in certain things rather than it run small and be uncomfortable. So that's what I ended up doing. Again, I'm normally in like Bloom Chic Torrid, Lane Bryant sizing. I am a 4X or like a 26. And for this, again, I went to a 5X. So just keep that in mind. Any kind of brand from Amazon. All right, let's dive into the fun part and do the try on. All right, so this one it's got like a waffle texture to it, so I'll come in a second. Also a 5X. Probably could have gone with a 4X. I'm not mad at it though. You know, I'd rather have something be a little bit loose and comfortable these days than tighter and uncomfortable, but I could have probably sized down. So seems like their stuff's running true to size. Just with, you know, with anything on Amazon, I size up. So love this color though. You guys know I'm a sucker for some green. Have this little sage, well, see, I guess sage green moment here. And then if you could see kind of the waffle, kind of similar to like long underwear with like that thermal waffle texture. And then it does kind of go up on the hip area, and then it kind of comes down a little bit in the front, a little bit in the back. The sleeves are a little long on me, so that's what I kind of mean. Like I probably could have sized down. Like, you know, I would probably just roll them up for the most part, but it's a good quality. Like it's not super thin, but it's not super thick. So really good for layering, but also you're not going to roast in it, which is nice because that's always a concern. You know how some people have their houses like scorching hot. Well, we overheat, you know, easily. So I appreciate a kind of a medium weight shirt here to where you're not going to be roasting and overheating and all that good stuff. So, and this does come in a bunch of colors as well. So again, Eytino does a really good job about offering kind of really like cute basic pieces, but in a bunch of color options, which I love. So if you like this, you can get it in multiple colors. So this sweater is a really nice knit as well. I love the color of it. It's called Goat, but it's kind of like a brown with a little bit of a gray undertone to it. And really nice soft sweater. Has the kind of split right here on the side. Of course, comes in a bunch of other colors as well. And it does come up pretty high on the neck, almost like a kind of mock turtleneck. And then there's the sleeve. The band at the bottom. So I thought this one might bug me because of how high up on the neck it comes. It doesn't. It's a looser kind of knit up here. So it's not kind of like choking. But just keep that in mind if you're not a big kind of like turtleneck type shirt fan. All right, so I'm obsessed with this sweater. This sweater's like a 10 out of 10. It's thick, but it's not too thick where it's gonna roast you. I'll come in close in a second because it's knitted in this like diamond texture, which I love. And it also lets you breathe, you know? Okay, see? And I have a black cami underneath, but like if you didn't have something under there, it does show your skin. Don't tell that lady on Facebook, you know. Anyway, so really nice soft sweater though. This does come in a bunch of other colors also. So I mean, I would be down to like ordering this in another color. You know, they have an olive green, and y'all know how I love that. But anyway, so I just paired it here with a nice dark skinny jean, little ankle boot, and how I would style this one, honestly, keep it pretty cash. I have my adorable little saddle bag also from Amazon. And all I did is I added on a couple kind of gold rings. I need bigger rings, I feel like chunkier, like more statement-y rings. I don't know. But I don't wear bracelets with a long sleeve shirt. I feel like it just covers it. It's pointless to me. Unless you're going to wear this up all day. I don't know, but it slides down, so that irritates me. But also I wouldn't do a long necklace with this kind of sweater because the necklace will usually, my necklaces will snag because they're longer. And so that irritates me because then you're ruining my sweater. So that's why I don't do a lot of long necklaces with kind of a chunky knit like this. But throw the little bag on. This little faux Coach chain, okay, this thing's weighty and it's nice. Like if you know Coach has an exact chain like this, and it's like $100. Girl, go on TEMU. Okay, I'll link it below if I can find it. But I love what Coach is doing right now, first of all, but also especially with all the chains and stuff you can add to your bags. I don't want to pay $100 for a chain though. So TEMU got your girl, okay? And I was like, heck yeah, and it came in and I was not disappointed, okay? It is not some plasticky cheapy thing. It's like, it's weighty metal. So I'll try to find it below. So this little half zip sweatshirt from Eytino, I adore. So it can go all the way up here or it goes all the way down here. But I personally do not like a pullover sweatshirt with the hood because it comes up too high on my neck and I don't like that. So I love that this gives you some control. So this type of style is definitely like a nice athleisure type of piece to have in your wardrobe. So you could wear this out with like a nice sweatpant, leggings. I've just got it with some denim here. But you still look elevated and put together. And this, of course, does come in a bunch of other colors. Now, there are no pockets. I wish there were some pockets, but I guess we can't have everything. But overall, again, and it is kind of a thinner piece. Like it's not chintzy quality, but it is thinner to where you're not going to overheat by any means. And this one is also a 5X. So this sweater is really, it's a very thick knitted sweater. I absolutely love the color. This beautiful kind of lilac-y, kind of like dusty purple. And this is a full button down. So V-neck, real buttons. Does not have pockets or anything, but it does kind of come in at the sleeve. So the sleeve does kind of cuff a little bit here, and then it's just kind of big and oversized. This, again, 5X, and it is pretty long. So if you see there, I kind of had it tucked up under itself. Overall, a very cozy and comfortable sweater. It does come in a ton of other colors, and then as the rest of the items that I've also got from Eytino, this is a size 5X. And this is the cardigan unbuttoned, just to kind of show you a little bit different. This is probably how I would wear it. I don't have a tendency to like my stuff all buttoned up personally. I don't know. But anyway, really cute sweater from Eytino. Overall, absolutely love this one. So this sweater I absolutely love. It is so incredibly soft, squishy, and cozy. This is a thicker sweater, so keep that in mind. It might be warm if you're going to be in somebody's house, but if you are outdoors where it's chilly, this is definitely going to keep you warm. Love the color. Y'all know, love dark green. Notches on the side here. Also has a little pocket right there. And then scoop neck. This does come up higher on the neck than I typically like. However, it doesn't bother me. It's not like that material that doesn't have any like stretch or give to it, where it's very like, you know, on your neck. This is very stretchy, kind of falls away from the neck, so it doesn't irritate me too much. Also has nice long cuff on the sleeve, which I love, so little billowy sleeves. Does have kind of like the chunky seaming. There it is, and chunky seaming on it down the sides and all of that. That's just the style of the sweater. It's not inside out, I promise. So this one, again, just a really beautifully made sweater, super soft, comes in a ton of other colors as all the Eytino stuff does, and I absolutely love this one. So this top I'm really liking. Love the color. Of course, it comes in a bunch of other colors. That's what Eytino does really well, is they'll do one kind of style and then a bunch of different color options. Now, I love the lace sleeves. It gives you some breathability as well. It is kind of long. Remember, I am 5'8". It's coming past my hips. So keep that in mind. If you are a little bit shorter, this is probably going to be pretty long on you, or you may need to get it hemmed or something like that. So just a heads up here. And has a scoop neck, and it's kind of like a little waffle texture to it. But overall, I do like this shirt, and I will definitely be wearing it. Super cute. So this top is just one of their basic kind of long sleeve tops. This comes in a ton of other colors, of course. I really like this navy blue color though, very pretty blue. Has a notch neck, faux buttons down the front here. Very soft material, and also kind of cuffs at the sleeve. Again, very stretchy material. I feel like this is one that I would have definitely preferred the 5X in, which is what I got, rather than trying to size down to in my normal 4X. The other ones have kind of run a little big. This one, not so much. But this is a thinner kind of shirt. So this one's really good for layering, or if you have cooler weather but you're not like freezing weather, or if you just need a thinner shirt to layer under other things. This would be a good option. Again, just kind of a basic, classic staple piece for any wardrobe. All right, so that was my haul from Eytino. So I really liked just about everything. This sweater was probably my favorite. I would definitely order this with my own money in other colors. Like it's flattering, it's comfortable, it's soft. I like how it gives you some breathability with the kind of like chunky knit. Overall, absolutely adore this sweater. Will wear this probably for years to come. Also really liked the knit cardigan. That was beautiful. That green one with the little pocket, so soft and cozy. The navy blue faux button shirt. I mean, it's just kind of a good basic piece. Like it's just, you know, nothing that blew my skirt up, but it's still like decent quality if you're looking for some basics, you know. But overall, they have really good items that, again, I will continue to feature in the future. They're always a brand that I look at on Amazon when I'm looking for plus size stuff to feature in Amazon hauls. So thank you, Eytino, for sending all this stuff over for review. And if you guys are interested in any of it, of course, it's linked down below as well. And also look out for their Black Friday sale. That will start, I believe, the 28th and the 29th. And then maybe on Cyber Monday. So if you're looking to snag a deal, definitely check it out. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, join the Thick Girl gang, and give this video a thumbs up. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.